Well, the data is now in for 2024. Baltimore has recorded its second lowest number of murders going back more than 4 decades. 11 News Investigates reporter Tali Taylor joins us now live in the newsroom. And Tali, this afternoon you sat down for an interview with Mayor Brandon Scott and Commissioner Worley about this.
Yeah, 11 News Investigates obtained BPD data showing that 201 homicides recorded in 2024 is the second fewest since 1980, tying the number in 1983. Only 2011 saw a lower number. 201 homicides in Baltimore in 2024 in 45 years, dating back to 1980. This is tied for the second lowest number ever. Mayor Scott, I'll start with you. How do you explain that?
Well, listen, Tyler, we laid out very clearly a few years ago my comprehensive violence reduction strategy that relies on a lot of things. A lot of things from the women and men in the police department through our GVRS strategy, focuses on those who are most likely to be the victim and perpetrator of gun violence, through growing our community violence intervention ecosystem across our city.
Commissioner Worley, same question.
Yeah, I'm extremely proud of the work the men and women of the BPD have done. They've done significant work and tremendous results with less people than we've ever had. But we can't do it alone. It's partnerships of everyone, federal, state, local partners, the group violence reduction strategy. And one thing we don't mention a lot, actually two things, is the community. The community is starting to support us more. But also over the last several years, we've got better technology.
How do you help those neighborhoods where those murders persist in 2025?
The same way, right? We have to continue. When you think about where we were, Tyler, a few years ago, the question that I got asked every single day was, how will you get the city to stop having 350 homicides a year? And then we got under 300 last year, and now we're down to 201. When you're doing that work, and as the commissioner said, it's a different approach for us. Yes, we're going out there, we're going to always hold people accountable, but we will also give you that opportunity to change your life.
Mayor Scott, if gun violence is a public health problem, how much is turnover at the Baltimore Health Department hurting your efforts to reduce gun violence?
Well, listen, the turnover has only been at the top, right? And I think that we know that we have strong folks working in the health department, all across the health department, right? But also you have to understand, when you think about it as a public health issue, it's not just the health department, right? It's not just the police department. It's every single agency in the city of Baltimore, right? It's DPW, it's transportation, it's recreation parks, it's Monsi.
If the number does creep back up in Baltimore in 2025, what will that be over, how would you explain that if that happens?
But our job is to have the plan, adjust where necessary, and focus on doing what we know works to reduce violence in the city of Baltimore, right? We have consistency in leadership for the first time in a long time, and we want to continue that in order to continue the reduction.
People thought I was crazy when I said I wanted to be under 200 this year, and we came really close to it. And next year I want to be under 170.
So that's your challenge to them in 2025?
170. That would be the lowest we've had ever recorded, I believe.